Hi, I'm Cornelia Bălanu, and I am very happy to come back from Antarctica. I am on the ship Professor Maltanovsky, and it is a treasure time spent with two of the greatest leaders which are on Earth today. Nick Halik, who reached all his dreams, even if that means to go to space, and Peter Blanc, who could reach the North Pole or whatever goal he sets, because nothing can stop him, either heart operation or other problems. He will lead his dream and will lead others to reach their dreams. My journey is a treasure one, because I was after two operations at my right hand, and I managed to overcome all the fears and to be fully physically fit for the great activities we had outdoors, like kayaking, ice climbing, and surviving in harsh conditions in Antarctica. A part of the beauty and the purity of the places we have visited, and we have the chance of great sightseeing, which I try to capture in images. We have great learnings from experts in terms of wildlife which lives in Antarctica, and how are they affected by the global warming and other types of pollution, and how the ozone zone behave in Antarctica and to the North Pole and in other parts of the world. And we had a special crew who took care of any of our activities. Was not only for trying things for the first time, but to feel like you are surrounded and protected by friends. And even if you feel weak one day, they will support you, and your journey will be a success. Thank you very much, and don't miss the chance to enjoy great adventure. Cool. I have a task. I am raising funds for kids without parents, so my images, I hope, will inspire them, and the words from Nick and Peter will lead them to a great life.
Yep. Indeed. When was the last time we did something for the very first time? I mean, Adventure Odyssey is basically it's a company in regards to extreme thrill-seeking adventures in the most remote, exotic locations across the world.
It's all about providing opportunities to challenge yourself and to challenge your soul, and to leave that with the knowledge of the greater person that you are.